So if you download playlists from YouTube or web series or anime, or you just have too many movies downloaded in your computer, then sometimes you might lose track of the last episode you watched, or which are the movies that you haven't watched yet and which are the ones that you have watched, so that you can delete the ones that you have seen. So I created a program for this exact situation, and let's see how this works. Okay, so first I'll open. Okay, so this is a folder that contains episodes of an anime series. So now if I want to keep track of the episodes that I have watched, so what I have to do is I just need to open this in terminal, or you can just open the terminal and then cd to the location. Okay, both anyway. So now just type in. Okay, so I've got the statistics. Total videos available in this directory are 187. Videos watched is 1. Percentage is 0. I round it off, so actually it's not 0, but yeah. So now we have 5 choices here. Okay, first is list the videos, so let's do that. And we have the list of all the videos. They are just episode numbers, so not much info there, but yeah. Second is okay, but there is something here. This arrow symbol, it means that this video has been watched. Okay, and this bracket means that it's not watched. Okay, so that is some information you get from just seeing the list. Okay, next is 2. So what 2 does, it plays the next video which is in line. So I have watched the first episode, so it will start playing the second episode. Now let's close it. Okay, so that was play the next video, option 2. Now if I want to play a particular video, like I want to play episode 450, or you have assuming like you have a playlist of OpenCV tutorials, then you can watch the last video or any video in between. So for that just enter 3 and then enter any number, like let's say 146. So I'll enter 146, that is the the serial number. So and that video will start. Okay, then close it when you are done with it. Okay, now if I see the list, you'll see that 146 is arrow because this video is watched. Okay, I've seen this video and I've seen the first and second video, so they have arrow here. Okay, now what I have to do is like if I want to see the statistics again, now videos watched is 3 and percentage is 1%. It is rounded off to integer value, so not so accurate, but doesn't matter. It's kind of, the idea was to give the approximate result. Okay, now if you want to reset, like if you want to just delete this record, videos watched should be 0, so all the videos should be unwatched. Or just in case if you delete some, like if you have many movies and if you delete some movies, so you want the record to be updated, so what you can do is you can just reset the let's say the record or the register, whatever it is. So for that just press 4. So right now it's 3 and 1% here. When I press 4 and enter, it's 0 and 0%. It has been reset, and if any new files were added in the directory or any files were deleted from the directory, that will be also updated in the record. Okay, so and just if you want to exit, just press space, enter, you're done with it. Okay, now if you close the terminal and see, so you'll see that this one JSON file is created. This is the file that stores the actual data. So if you delete this file, then that's another way to reset the information, because if you delete it, then the next time you run the application, then it will create a new JSON file, and so it will, all the videos will be marked as unwatched. And so if you want to reset, you can do that way also. And if you want to change the status of a particular one, then just you replace false with true, and that video will be considered the watched video. Or if a video is true and you want to mark it as unwatched, then yeah, just you can do that also from here. So that's about it. And when you want to if you want to download it, so what you can do, I'll mention the link in the description. So just go to my GitHub, okay, and this repository is Chitragupt here. So just open it and download the code. So just download the zip file. I will not download it again because I don't want to get too much junk here. So it's in the downloads folder. Okay, so this is the zip file. When you unzip it, so you'll get this register.py. Actually you'll get a folder, and inside the folder you'll get a register.py. So the folder is not needed, just this Python program is needed. And so I did not put an executable, because if I converted the Python program to an executable file, the size was increasing considerably, and so I thought, why to waste size. So you have the Python program. Now what to do to make it easier to access this program in every directory that you want to access it? You can't just copy paste. You can copy paste it in every directory, but that will be both redundant and space consuming. So the better way, you can choose any way, but the way that I'll suggest is okay, just let's open a terminal window and type in nano .bashrc, okay, and at the end of it just add this line. Okay, so this line wasn't supposed to be here. Let me delete it. Okay, so this line alias cgpd is equal to python3/home/kmr. okay, so this is my username. Kmr area is just replace it with your username, and then this is the folder. So actually I have placed this in Chitragupt folder, but yours will be in downloads folder if you download it. So replace it with downloads, and then register.py, the name of the Python file. Okay, or better, I'll just show you. Let me just close it. Okay, so you can also do this cat double arrow or whatever it is, and .bashrc, the shorter way to do it. But remember to put double greater than symbol here, because if you put a single one, then you'll be in deep trouble. Okay, so if you want to go by the safer route, then use nano.bashrc. okay, this one might be risky. Actually it's not risky, but better not. Better use the nano one. So both do the same. This one just appends it, and that one is actually opening it in a text editor and then adding the line. So both are the same way. So just add this if you are doing it, if you are downloading it, and I assume that your downloads folder is the default location for downloaded files. So in that case just write alias and cgpt, okay, and equal, no space, equal to Python 3, assuming you have Python 3, and assuming you have VLC, because I was kind of lazy and I designed it to work only with VLC, but it doesn't matter. You can just change VLC and replace it with any video player you use, and it will work just fine. So it's not very hard. It's not difficult to change it. Just replace VLC with the name of your player in the code, and it will work. Okay, so yeah, so here's Python 3, and then assuming that it's in downloads folder, so it will be home, and username mine's kmr adi, and then downloads. I hope it's in the downloads folder. So yeah, that will sorry, /register.py. okay, so press enter and then press Ctrl D, and this is added to your bashrc. okay, so this is the exact line that you need to add to the .bashrc, and it will work just fine. So let's try. Let's clear it first. Okay, now let me open a let's say videos folder. Okay, so I've got some videos here. Okay, now open this in terminal or cd to the location, whatever you choose, and then cgpt, and okay, so we have this here. Now list all the videos. Sorry, yeah, so we have the list here. They all are unwatched here. Now if I want to watch it, play 2 3 4, you know the drill, I've already shown it. So that's how this works, and I hope you liked it. So try it if you want to, it's free. So that's all.